If you take Sec 1 G3 Math, this is a very common question that is usually tested in every WA2 and it will certainly come up for your WA2 this year. So let's make sure you get these free 2 marks. Now over here we are asked to evaluate this equation, and whenever you see the word evaluate, it means find the value of x, right? Find the value of x. So you see x over here is a variable, which means that we need to find out what the value of x actually is. So how do we tackle this type of question? 2 very simple steps. The first step is we always want to make sure that x is standing alone. And when I say x is standing alone, you see that x belongs to this building over here. So what we need to do is we need to kick out anyone else who does not belong to this building. And you realize that 3/2 does not belong to that building. And therefore we will shift this over to the right side. Therefore over here we get 2/x equals to 6/2 minus 3/2, which you can combine the fraction to give you 6 minus 3/2, which is just 3/2. Now we end up with 2/x equals to 3/2. So how do we then simplify this equation over here? This is where I'm going to teach you a very simple trick that will confirm work every single time. All you need to do is to cross multiply the 2 here and cross multiply the x over here. That will give you 2 times 2 equals to 3 times x, and I end up with 4 equals to 3x. And to find the value of x, all we need to do is to divide the 3 over to the left side, and therefore x equals to 4/3, which is 1/3 as the final answer to this question over here. So to all Sec 1s, it might feel a little bit challenging, a little bit daunting at the start when you start to tackle more algebra questions, especially harder ones, but not to worry, because every single time the process is the same. All you need to do is to learn how to spot patterns, and you will be able to solve these type of questions easily. And to all Sec 1 parents that are watching this, if your child needs extra support outside of class, make sure to WhatsApp this number on the screen over here, and I'll send you more details on how we conduct our classes at our math tuition center called A1 Math Academy, and share with you more details to see how we can actually help your child to give them the support they need during this period. And with that said, I look forward to seeing you on WhatsApp over here.